time I've sat down to film something recently, I have had wet hair, and I could dry it, but I don't like drying my hair. So if I did that, I wouldn't be being my true authentic self. Today, I am beginning the process of moving. So this is going to be a moving vlog. If you don't know, I am Ciara. I'm a PhD student based in Dublin, Ireland. And if you don't know anything about renting in Dublin, the market is pretty insane. Most people I know would be paying somewhere between, I'd say, 800 and €1,000 a month for rent. And PhD stipends here are typically around €1,500 a month, possibly less depending on what field you're in. So needless to say, it can be certainly a challenge to be able to balance having that PhD income with trying to find somewhere reasonable to live, thinking about then having to add in like bills and food and all of that stuff. So we have been looking for somewhere for a really long time. Up until now, I've been living in my family home. Pretty much everyone I know, I have a couple of friends, one has just moved to New York and one has been living out of home for a while, but everybody else that I know who's my age, who lives in Dublin, is still living at home and tends to live at home until they're maybe like 27, I'd say was the average age that people I know move out of home, because rent is just crazy. So at this time, there's said to be around 1,400 rentals available in Dublin. There's about 500,000 people living in Dublin. So we've been looking for somewhere for over a year, me and my boyfriend, to find somewhere to live together. And we did want somewhere with a decent amount of space. It probably would have been possible to find a one bedroom sooner, but at the same time, prices for a one bedroom are typically around €1,600. So, and then a two bedroom would be more like €2,000. So it's like not that much extra to get that second room and to almost double your space. And a lot of the time that would mean you'd also have a bigger living space and a bigger kitchen and everything like that. So we did want somewhere that was a two bedroom. Eventually we decided, look, we'll just get a one bedroom if we can find one. But it has been really hard to try and find somewhere, especially because I wanted somewhere that was reasonably close to the university that I work in, reasonably close to where my boyfriend works. I also work teaching speech and drama a few times a week, so I wanted somewhere that was reasonably close to there. Not too far from my home, not too far from his home. Then also like a good location in terms of like just general transport and getting about and everything like that. So trying to find somewhere in that type of area has been pretty difficult. Finally, we started really taking things seriously and going to visit places and things like that. So in the last couple of weeks, we went to a couple of viewings. We sort of realized that there's absolutely no point in looking at any of the properties that are not being put up within the last 2 days. So if there's any properties up on here, we have like Daft or Home.ie. If there's any properties that have been up there for over a week, you can guarantee that those are probably gone. So we only just waited for new things to come up and go and see those. And pretty much within a day of things going up, they'll be gone. So you need to get on it really quickly and just be checking it really regularly. So we went to see one place and it was gone the next day, went to see another place, it was gone the next day. We weren't too keen on those places, so it was fine. Then we found this place that had been put up on that day. I got in touch with them to ask to arrange a viewing. They had a video of the property and my boyfriend was pretty happy with it. Like once I went there and it wasn't completely different to what was in the video, he was just happy for us to go forward with it. So I went to see it the following day and pretty much straight away afterwards emailed being like, yes, we'll take it. We put in an application and we found out that we got it, we put in a deposit, and a week now from then, which is yesterday, we signed the lease for a 2-bedroom sort of house. It's got 2 stories. The ground floor has a living space and kitchen in 2 separate areas with a dining, and then out the back there is a little kind of garden and a shed and everything like that, and another like downstairs toilet. Not a full like shower bathroom, but just a toilet and a sink, which is handy if we have people over. And then upstairs we have 2 bedrooms, planning to turn one of them into a sort of shared office space that we can both use. So today is the day that we are starting the moving process. Oh my god, the lighting I'm in right now is awful. So really sorry about the visuals for this video. But today we're starting to actually move things into the property. So I'm like making a list at the moment of all of the things that I will need to bring for this evening. We're going out for dinner to sort of celebrate and just going to spend the night there. We don't have a TV or anything yet, but I do have a projector, so I'm going to bring that. Okay, so stuff that I need to bring today: bed sheets, duvet, pillows, phone charger, laptop charger, my laptop and my other laptop, my editing equipment because I need to edit a video probably tomorrow morning, my filming equipment for filming more of the move, towels, then my hairdryer, makeup because we're going to be going out for dinner, makeup remover. I think Jack's bringing cutlery, but I need to check that with him because we already have some cups, glasses, bowls, plates and that. I need to bring a change of clothes. I need to bring anything that I need for drama tomorrow in case I do go straight there. And my projector and my cord because we're probably going to want to watch a movie or something later. Why would you bring a coloured pillow into an obviously going to be white bedroom? Yeah. There's no point. I can't even take a picture of our bed now.
Well, you can take away my pillow, put that there and pretend.
So we've just like taken apart this bed here and just pushed it up against the wall for the moment because we wanted to have some room to fit a desk in here so that we can use this space more like an office. So today we're going to be moving this desk. I actually took the drawers out already and put them downstairs, and this one is about twice the size, so gonna have to get used to that. So I'm going to be taking the chair, my sign probably, I don't know what other decor stuff we'll take. But then my standing desk from Harmony, my ring light, my portable second screen in there, you can't really see, and my footstool down below. So I'm going to be taking all that stuff and getting that all set up.